How to fix Instagram not linking to TikTok profile. So other than making sure your link is well copy pasted by testing it out in a different browser, something like that, and of course you're using a legitimate account, you follow through the process of making a business account in TikTok. So we assume you've already done that. The short process, but make sure it is approved. You're gonna have to do the long process where you have to fill out an entire form. But this is because if you're just making a basic and unverified or unapproved business account, then it won't work. So it won't work since it requires you to have a legal business and needs to be approved. And once that's done, then your Instagram link will work once you put it in your business account in the linking options once you edit your profile. But again, it won't work unless you have a legal business that is approved by TikTok themselves. So just go ahead and fill out those forms for your actual business account. Then you'll be able to use your Instagram link. And it should eventually work. If you don't want that option, then you could just potentially put it in your bio. Maybe it would work that way. But hopefully some part of the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.